Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to switch between accounts in Rainbow Wallet. Rainbow Wallet is a popular Ethereum wallet that lets you manage multiple crypto accounts in one place. If you use more than one Ethereum address, maybe for NFTs or DeFis or security, knowing how to switch between accounts in Rainbow Wallet is super important. And in this video I'll show you exactly how to switch accounts in Rainbow Wallet step by step. So first you need to open the Rainbow Wallet on your phone, and if you do not have, so you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and you can download it from there as well. And make sure you are logged in and on the main wallet screen. After that, you can tap on the screen in the top. This is located at the top of the screen. Tapping it opens your wallet menu. Over here, what you can do is you'll see all of your Ethereum accounts. You'll see a list of accounts linked to your wallet like account 1, account 2, or custom named account. You can select tap add on the bottom, or you can simply tap on the account that you want to use, and Rainbow Wallet instantly switches to that account. No loading, no confirmation needed. And once switched, you'll see a new account balance, NFTs, and transaction history. Or if you want to, you can simply select on this add, and you can either choose or create a new account or import to an existing one. The account will appear in your account list for easy switching. And you can switch between accounts anytime without logging out, and all of the accounts stay secure under your recovery phase. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to switch between accounts in Rainbow Wallet. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.